Hey, Sprinkles, how are you? Hey. What? Hey, you guys. Oh. What, you want dinner? Can't. Okay. Alright, Sprinkles. You wanna eat? You wanna eat? Hey. Sprinkles. Hey. Yeah, so guys, I have two cats. In case you couldn't tell from the videos yet. You can't. Hey, Sprinkles. This is pretty much my daily routine with her. Okay. Say hi before you eat. Okay. Dinner's. And outside, we have confetti. He's probably the happiest cat you'll ever meet. Oh, you need help? He's also a little older. You need help, Confetti? Okay. Okay, buddy. There you go. And that's pretty much my daily routine. With the cats anyways. Confetti. Nope, can't see his face. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.